a purpose to avenge the death of our people. You are here for your families. You are here for your honor. You are here because you are Vikings.
The echoes of eternity.
Dressed, ain't it? Khakis pressed, Nike shoes, first being fresh laced, so I guess it ain't that aftershave of cologne that made him this faint. Plus I showed up with a coat fresher than wet paint. So your love is a chess game, checkmate. But girl, your body's banging, jump me in, bang, bang, bang. Yes, sir, Bob, I was thinking the same thing. So come get on this kid's rock, bob with the bob, bang, bang.
Cadillacs for bills, book the bills, bring 10 pins, yeah, stupid whales. Girl, I'm too for real, lose it tooth and nail. Try to fight it, try to deny it, stupid you will fail. What I do it will, shooting from the hip. Yeah, boy, shoot the kill. Have a breath, on my deathbed, screaming at that. Yeah, super ill. Baby, what the deal? We could chill, split a half a pill and a happy meal. Fuck a steak slot, I cut my toes off, a step on the receipt. Or I put the bill. Listen, garden tool, to make me introduce you to my power tool. You know the fucking drill. How you douchebags feel, knowing you're disposable. Summer's Eve, Mass and Gill. Shady's got the mass appeal. Baby, crank the shit, cause it's your goddamn jam. You said you want your punchlines a little more compact. Well, shorty, I'm that man. These other cats ain't metaphorically why I'm that man.
The echoes of eternity.
I hear the doctor standing over me, screaming I can make it. Got a body full of bullets, saying yeah, niggas still a can't breathe, something's evil in my IV. Cause every time I breathe, I think they get a beat. I'm having nightmares, homicidal fantasies. I wake up strangling, dangling my bed sheets. I call a nurse cause it hurts to reminisce. How did it come to this?